Well, it's been a long time since I've posted anything. My yard, as you can see, is in a horrendous mess. But getting to work, still lots of strawberries growing. Still able to pick some. See if this one's any good. Look at that. Yum. Beautiful. Oh, I think I might have to use them all here. Love being able to pick these and just eat them whenever I feel like it. See. Very, very sweet. Yeah, my job today though, all cleared up and ready for more stuff. Spinach is still going really well, but this patch here, big long patch, my potatoes. Already dug some up and got quite a bit from one little hole, so we'll see how we go with the rest. All I did with these was just threw some potatoes in that were sitting in the bottom of my pantry that were fresh from here in Tassie, so they hadn't been sprayed or anything, and chucked them in quickly and threw some straw on top. That was all I did, and I left them and walked away. Actually, no, I mounded them. I put a bit more straw on them again later. So I've done nothing. I don't think I even watered them, but it's been heavily rained here, so I really need to pick them before they all start rotting in the ground. Not sure how much is going to be in this one, but we'll see what we can get. There's a few coming out. The last one I got a whole pot full. Not a lot for this one, unfortunately, but more than what I put in the ground, so that's a plus. Just take the plant. Oh, another little one. These are beautiful cooked up. These small ones are really nice cooked up with the skin on, with some butter and garlic. It's beautiful. Let's see how this goes. Excuse my mess. That is actually where a tree is going to be going soon. I've got it on pre-order for summer, but couldn't get it last spring, so okay, let's see. Oh, you can already see there's some potatoes here growing, so that's great. Well, get some of that. Well, actually there's a lot. I must admit this is extremely, oh, that's like a whopper. Very exciting. Homegrown potatoes just taste so incredibly good. It's the first big batch I've ever done in the ground, so I wasn't sure what I was going to get. But this is actually rather impressive. I'll keep going with this, and I'll share what I got in a sec. No, it did very, very well. They're all gone. So, way more potatoes than I had expected. So, I'm very happy about that. It was a very late plant, so to be honest, I would have been happy with a couple of buckets, but that's great. All I have to do is clean them up now. This is what I harvested today. I hadn't picked tomatoes for ages, so some I had to throw out, but I threw them in the garden area. I'd like seedlings next year, so hopefully that'll work. Tomatoes, we've got some button squash there too. And this enormous box of potatoes. I'll have to weigh them. They'd have to be well over 10. I'm guessing about 15 kilos, but if I get around to it, I'll weigh it and I'll put it on the video.